Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Law with AKP. In today's class, we are going to discuss an important topic under bailment, pledge. Pledge is a special type of bailment and is very important for semester exams, judiciary exams, and practical legal understanding. In this topic, we will understand meaning of pledge, Pawnor and Pawnee, rights and duties, examples, and important case law. So, let's begin. Pledge is a special kind of bailment. In pledge, goods are delivered as a security for repayment of debt or performance of promise. This definition is given under Section 172 of the Indian Contract Act. For example, a person keeps gold ornaments with a bank to obtain loan. The gold act as security here. So this is a pledge. Now, let us understand important terms used in pledge. Pawnor, the person who delivers goods as security. Pawnee, the person who receives goods as security. Debt, money borrowed. Security, protection given against non-payment. For example, if Ram gives gold to bank for loan, Ram is Pawnor, bank is Pawnee, loan is debt, gold is security. Now, let us understand essentials of pledge. Firstly, there must be delivery of goods. Secondly, goods must be delivered as security. And third one, only movable goods can be pledged. And the fourth one, after repayment of debt, goods must be returned. For example, a person pledges laptop for short-term loan. After repayment, lender returns laptop. Now, let us understand rights of Pawnee. Firstly, right of retention means Pawnee may retain goods until debt is paid. Second one, right to recover expenses. It means extraordinary expenses may be recovered. And third one, right to sell goods. If Pawnor defaults, Pawnee may sell goods after reasonable notice. For example, if borrower fails to repay gold loan, bank may auction gold after notice. Now, let us understand duties of Pawnee. First, Pawnee must take reasonable care of pledged goods. Second, Pawnee should not misuse goods. Third one, after repayment, goods must be returned. For example, bank cannot use pledged jewelry for personal purposes. It only holds goods as security. Now, let us understand the rights of Pawnor. First, right to redeem goods. After repayment, Pawnor can demand return of goods. Second, right to notice before sale. Before selling pledged goods, Pawnee must give reasonable notice. Third one, right to claim damages if goods are misused or damaged. Now, let us understand an important case law. In Lallan Prasad versus Rahmat Ali, goods were pledged as security for loan. The Pawnee lost possession of pledged goods due to negligence. Later, the Pawnee still tried to recover loan amount. Now, the court held that a Pawnee who loses pledged goods due to negligence cannot recover full debt without returning goods. Here, the principle established is Pawnee must protect pledged goods carefully. This is a very important Supreme Court case in pledge law. Now, let us compare bailment and pledge. Bailment may exist for many purposes like repair or transport, but pledge exists specifically as security for debt or promise. Therefore, every pledge is bailment, but every bailment is not a pledge. This distinction is very important for exams. Now let us quickly revise. Pledge is a special type of bailment. Goods are delivered as security. Pawnor gives goods. Pawnee receives goods. After repayment of debt, goods must be returned. Now, let's conclude this topic. Pledge is a special form of bailment where goods are delivered as security for repayment of debt or performance of promise. The pawnor and pawnee both have important legal rights and duties. We also understood through the important case of Lallan Prasad versus Rahmat Ali that pawnee must carefully protect pledged goods. So remember, every pledge is bailment, but every bailment is not a pledge. For exams, always remember definition, essentials, rights, duties, examples, and case law. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Law with AKP. Stay tuned for the next topic.